Hi, this is Tom's Tats, and today's tutorial is going to be about how to do my desktop background. So first of all, you want to open up Photoshop and open up a new file, and you want it as your desktop background screen resolution, and make sure the background is not transparent and it's white. And then OK to that, and then it should just come up with a blank white bit. And first of all, before you start doing any of the effects, all of this explosion bit, they're all just brushes. So you want to go to the internet and go on to, and then type in brush easy on the top one, and that should take you to the home page. And you want to download this brushes, and click download file. If you don't know how to download them, please go watch my video on how to download new brushes. It's called Photoshop tutorial brushes, so please watch that. And now I'll just show you how to do it. Right, so you want to open it, and once you've got the brushes, you want to go on brush, and then you should just have loads of brushes, and you kind of just want to click everywhere. Not everywhere, this bottom right corner, get loads of the different brushes, try and make it as realistic as you can. Just keep going through each one over. Yeah, I don't care about you. Yeah, just keep going over and over. These ones will go up. You want this part, one sec. You want this part here, which I have, you want it to be dark, and then you want it to kind of scale out and dark. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep adding different explosions. So it's already looking quite effective. You just want to keep doing that until it looks like proper realist. And you want some out here as well, make it look like there's bits flying everywhere. What's this one? We'll be using this after we've done our text, so make sure you know where that one is. I think that's done on the explosion part now. Yeah, so now you want to, you've done your explosion over here. Then you want to add your text. I'm going to put for the size, and then type in Tom's Tats. You don't have to type in that, you can type in whatever you want. Then I'm going to move it so part of it's in the explosion, see Tats. And then you want to accept that, and then you want to mask your text by going down here to this square with a circle in it, click on that, and then this white box here, and then go over to your gradient tool. Your gradient tool might be hidden underneath your paint bucket tool, so you want to hold down click, right click on, hold down right click on that to get it up. And then since you've done that, you can gradient that. See, look, it's changed colour like that. But what you want to do is come from the T or whatever, and click, hold shift to make it stay in a straight line, and I want to bring it out here. You want to put that the other way around. Right, so click, hold, make sure your colours are white and black like that, so then it'll go from black to white, from black here to white here. You kind of want to fade it out until quite hard to see. It looks like it's blowing up and it's disappearing. See, like that. I'm going to keep an experiment with it, try different stuff. And now you want to add the tutorials bit, so this bit up here. So we're going to go back to it. You lay it out small above Tats, or whatever letter you want. God, I can't speak properly today. And 72 fit in there. You want to like widen it out and fit is 72. Right here. Now I'm gonna write tutorials. Right there. Again. You want it like about 72, or now I'm gonna say smaller than 72. About 50. Yeah, about 50 points. Just experiment with that and see what fits best. Right, so did I forget something? No, I had. One sec, I just need to, unless it's not going through. Right. There, and now I've got tutorials there. Oh, somebody poked me in the leg. Right, yeah. So you got tutorials there. And now you want to do exactly the same. Mask it. Use your gradient tool on the top of the T or whatever you've got up here. Drag it out. Make it look like it's the S on the end of tutorials is more faded out than the S on the end of Tom's Touch. So make it look more realistic. It's further in the explosion, so no less. Right, just keep experimenting with it, see what you think suits best. Right, there, I'm going to keep mine like that. So we're nearly done now. We've just got to add this smoke bits, these little puffs of smoke, and then we'll pretty much be done. So, go back to Photoshop, and now this is where we use that other brush which I was talking about. This one here, make sure you know where that is. Then once you've got this brush, like bring it down until it just goes out, and then click on, you need to change it to black, sorry. And make sure you're highlighted over the background. Right, so bring it down until it just goes out, and you want to click to get that puff of smoke. And now to make the little smaller puff of smoke, you want to scale it down smaller size, and then like just click there and there. So now we've got that, then puffs of smoke, like say house was burned or something, I don't know, whatever you want. So yeah, that explosion makes it more effective and everything, and it's pretty much easy to do this. It's pretty much all the brush that is doing it. All you've done is you've masked it, and used the gradient tool and just clicked to add the explosions. This was Tom's Touch with a background tutorial, Photoshop Cs5. Thanks for watching, and peace out.